Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to easily connect Telegram on your PC. First, open your browser and search for Telegram download on Google. Then go to the official website and download it. Once it's downloaded, open the file and install the app. After the installation is complete, launch Telegram. Now click on Start Messaging and you will see a QR code on the screen. Now open Telegram on your mobile phone, go to Settings, then Devices and tap on Link Device. Scan the QR code shown on your PC. That's it, your Telegram is now connected to your computer. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.